Hello guys, and today I'm doing another Rubik's Cube collection video. So I have a lot more cubes this time. Let me see, I have I don't even know. But I do have a lot. So let me start off with some of the cubes I already have. So here is my normal Rubik's Cube. See? So it's turning smooth, but finger tricks pretty bad. Some pieces are wiggly. Wait, I'm gonna see if I can find one that's wiggly. I think it's wiggling. Oh, this one's wiggling. You can see that's wiggling. So I just do that to fix it. So anyways, this is a pretty good cube. So yeah. So now for my next one. So I'm going to 3x3s to mods. So that's pretty much what I have. Oh, I threw my 2x2 out because it was horrible. It popped a lot. So here's my next one. My turtles. So this side is solved, and this side's nearly solved. So oh yeah, and this side solved with all the layers down: blue layer, red layer, green layer, orange layer. So I can solve the top layer now, so it's not bad. It's really tiny, not my smallest Rubik's Cube though. Yes, I got another Rubik's Cube that's even smaller than this one. So just to show you how good it turned, it does this. So pretty good turning. On to my next one. I void cubes. So this is not my best turning Rubik's Cube anymore. I have an even better Rubik's Cube than this. It's an actual Rubik's Cube. I cannot solve the middle top layer on the void cubes. So you can see that not solved. But this is really good. For speed cuber, I'd recommend it. It's just right for me. You can't corner cut or anything. By the way, those other two cubes wouldn't be able to corner cut. So here. Yeah. That's not gonna corner cut. So this is good. You can finger trick it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that cube. Oh yeah, and I do have the blue side solved on it. See? Now for my first Rubik's Cube I've ever got, this. My picture cube. Surprisingly, yes, it does have a side solved. A side is solved. Okay. I actually did do it. I'm nearly on the screen. This is really hard to do. Okay, so this is really hard to do. No, it's my lid. Just joking. So this some pieces will be wiggly on this one too. So checkerboard look awful on it. So yeah. Not bad though. It's pretty smooth turning. Now I need to do something real quick. So this one, I got this only a couple of days ago. This, the invisible Rubik's Cube. Now, this is my dollar cube. Not bad. Really smooth. I can finger trick it. It looks great in a checkerboard to show you. So, I'm showing you a checkerboard right now. As you can see, checkerboard looks amazing on this. Yeah, so I normally have my on a shelf this way. It's good. Now for my next new one, it's the Rubik's Cube. This one is way better as this is way better. It actually does corner cut. Whoosh. But yeah, so here's the soft side. Good for one-handed actually too. So good for one hand. Soft. Watch. And it does corner cut. So watch. See this side? Boom. It was corner cutted. Corner cutted. Doesn't corner cut that much, but it does corner cut, which is better than some of my other Rubik's Cubes. This might be my only Rubik's Cube that can actually corner cut. So, that's so much about that one. But yeah, top layer solved, as you can probably already tell. So, on to my next one. This one is my mini Rubik's Cube. I got this at a gift in one of those little gift box things. Gift bags that you get at a birthday party. So, here's the blue side solved. So, as you can see, yellow, white, green, pink, yes. So yeah, turns good. This is my smallest Rubik's Cube. 2 centimeters smaller than my other one. This one. So just look. See, 2 centimeters. So on to my next one. Oh, now for the mods, I guess. Here's my paper 1 by 1. Can't really show you how to use it, but you scramble it like this, and then throw it down. Right here we got a Y. So then you do this again, and that time we got an L. So you need to go and flip it from Y to L. It's pretty fun to solve. So here's my last one. Well, second to the last one. This one I'm still working on. I need to get just a little paper. It's going to be done. So I'm basically going to tape the tape around here. So it's going to tape like blue or green or something. So when I move it, it's going to scramble it. This is one of those things that you get out of those machines, and it actually will turn good. You can hear it. So now for this one, my Rubik's Revenge. It might work. Let's hear the noise. We just need to wait. It's not working right now. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So you're just gonna be able to play games on it and stuff. So that's pretty much it for my Rubik's. Oh yeah, and I have one more. This one is the Rubik's Tower. So as you can see, it's a Rubik's Tower. It turns pretty good. JK. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So bye. Oh yeah, remember to leave a like and subscribe. So bye.